Welcome to Balcony Garden.
Hi friends, today we will discuss about a very basic topic of gardening, that is watering. We all know we need to water our plants, but sometimes our plants die due to watering mistakes like overwatering or underwatering. So what are these factors that decide the water requirement of plants? There are various of factors that decide the requirement, like types of plants, like uh, type of container, soil type, all these. So let us go deep into each of them. Number one, type of plant.
Some plants are very much drought tolerant. Cactus or succulents fall under this category. They have thick leaves and they store water in their leaves. So if you overwater them, their leaves will become soggy and eventually they will die. So it is better to underwater them than overwater. So once a week is more than sufficient for them to water. So whenever you water them thoroughly. Again water them when their soil is completely dry. On the other hand, most vegetable and flowering plants need regular watering. You need to water them daily. And some plants fall in between. Their water requirement lies somewhere in the middle. You can water them twice or thrice a week.
Number two is season. It's very obvious that during monsoon we don't need to water our plants very frequently, right? So outdoor plants get the rain through rainwater, and indoor plants, due to high moisture content in the atmosphere, they lose their soil, lose less water. So less frequent watering is required. Number three is type or size of container.
Terracotta containers are porous and so they lose moisture quickly. So more frequent watering is required for this type of plants. Whereas plastic containers or ceramic containers don't have pores, so they hold moisture for longer period of time, and hence less frequent watering is required for these type of containers. Now water requirement varies depending on the container size as well. So if you are using same type of containers, like here it is both terracotta container and both are same plants, but we need to water frequently for the smaller container as it will hold smaller amount of water.
Number four is type of soil. It depends on the type of soil how much water the soil will hold. If the soil contains more sand, then the water holding capacity is less. So it depends on the soil type also, how the water requirement of your plant. Now there is another factor, that is plant size. You know, if you are watering plants, little seedlings like this, these are like human babies. These are baby plants. So they need frequent watering but less amount of water. Just like babies, they need to feed frequently. So you see friends, with so many factors, it is not possible to stick to a single pattern, single watering pattern for all your plants, right? So let me add two more tips to it. So one is to do a dipstick survey. Like poke your finger in your pot 2 inch deep and see if the soil stick to your finger. That means it is still moist. So you don't need to water it. But the best thing, is to observe your plant. Whenever you get a new plant, you need to observe this plant for a while. Check the plant every day for its moisture level. Like check the soil, check the leaves, check the health, overall health of the plant, if it is drooping or not. So, if you check it every day, you will understand that whether these plants need some water or not. Within a week or so, you will get a overall understanding of your plant's watering needs. So, keep your plants happy, keep watering your plants.
If you have any specific question about watering your plants, please let me know in the comment section below. And for more gardening videos, please subscribe to my channel Balcony Garden.